Today I'm going to show you how to cite an image in PowerPoint the easy way so your slides look clean, professional, and properly credited. This is especially important if you're using photos, graphics, icons, or screenshots in school projects, business presentations, or client decks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get into it. The first and best method is to add the citation directly below the image. This works really well when you want the source to stay close to the picture and it keeps everything clear for anyone viewing your slide. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and going to the slide where you want to place your image. Next, click Insert at the top, then choose Pictures. From here, select the image you want to add from your device or online source and insert it into the slide. Once the image is in place, you'll need to create a citation underneath it. To do that, go back to Insert and choose Text Box. Then click underneath the image and drag out a small text box. In that text box, type your citation details. A simple format could look like source www.123.com or image by John Doe. If you want, you can also include both the website and the creator's name to make the credit even more complete. Make sure the text is small enough to fit neatly under the image, but still readable. You can also change the font color to gray or black depending on your slide background, so the citation doesn't distract from the main content. The goal is to keep it visible without making it the focus of the slide. If you have multiple images and want a cleaner layout, the second method is to create a separate citation slide. This is a great option when your presentation includes many visuals and you want all your references in one place. To do this, add a new slide to your presentation. You can choose a blank slide or a title and content layout. Then change the title to References. Under that title, list each image source one by one. For example, you might write Image 1, website link, Image 2, author name, and so on for every image used in the presentation. This method is especially useful for academic or professional presentations where you need to show full source information at the end. It also keeps your main slides neat and uncluttered while still giving proper credit. A helpful tip is to stay consistent with your citation style throughout the entire presentation. If you use a website link for one image, try to use the same format for the others. If you use author names, keep that format consistent too. That makes your citations look more organized and professional. Another good practice is to double check the source of every image before adding it to your slide. Make sure you're citing the original creator or the website where you found it, not just a reposted version. This helps you give accurate credit and avoid confusion later. So to recap, if you want the easiest and most visible method, add the citation directly below the image using a text box. If you want a cleaner presentation with all sources in one place, create a separate references slide and list every image source there. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.